Okay, guys, so with me today here is a Xiaomi actually 17 Pro. I'd already unboxed it, but I just decided to pack it back so that I'll show you guys what comes with comes in the box. So you have a 100 watts charger, which is nice to have. There is a cable here, uh, which I have in here. Yeah, so this is the cable, and it comes with a case as well, frosted case. So SIM ejector toolkit, quick start guide. What else? I think that is all the accessories. It's nice to have though, fast charging. And then the bad boy here. So this is what it looks like. So if you have any questions concerning the Xiaomi 17 Pro, you guys should let me know in the comment section and I'll answer to those guys that are curious about this model of Xiaomi device. It's very slick. It's very slick. So I'll be setting this up and okay, click like okay. All right. So let me know what you guys think about the look and ask your questions.